Okay, welcome to part 4 in our series of creating a CO2 dragster in OnShape. We've now created our shape. What we're now going to do is we're now going to remove this excess material so we can see the shape of our car. So the tool that we're going to use for that is this tool here called Extrude. Now Extrude basically is and if we're not sure of the tools, we can hover over the tool and it will give us some information about the tool. But basically we can either add or remove material using this tool. So we click on the Extrude tool and we're going to now look for the section that we want to extrude. Now we're going to extrude the waste, so that's the top section of our block. We click on that and you'll see that it sort of highlights that. We now need to go over to this interface and we're going to click on the remove section. And in this section here, we're going to click this drop down box and we're going to go through all. So basically that says we're going to remove all of the material. And what we should actually see when we click the tick is we should see the shape of our car now appear. And if I right click and do some orbiting, you can actually see that my car there the shape has been removed. So if I go back to the right view there, we can now see the shape of our car. So that's the next step. We're going to extrude and remove that. And then we're now going to look at adding in our next axle in the next video.